The first type of speech that you'll be able to give for these special occasion speeches is what we call a speech of presentation, or presenting an award speech. And in this type of speech, it's a brief speech that's given to accompany some kind of prize or honor. And there's a few different goals that you have in a speech of presentation. First, you want to make sure that you explain what the award is and why it's important as well. You want to make sure that you name the organization that is presenting this award. For example, it might be the Academy, right? Presenting an Oscar, for example. Naming the organization lets the audience know just how big of a deal this might be. You also want to make sure that you explain what the recipient did to get this award, to be bestowed with this award. So what are their accomplishments? What's their sort of like resume that they've done in order to really deserve this award? So you talk about things like their qualifications for the award, the accomplishments that they've done in order to receive this award, those sorts of things. And finally, if the losers, quote unquote, were publicly known, you should acknowledge those people. So for example, with the Oscars, with the Academy Awards, you know who it is that is nominated for the award, and then you understand who won it. And so it's important for you as a presenter of an award to acknowledge that everyone who was nominated for this award is very deserving of it, but there's one above the rest who is the most deserving of this particular award. It just kind of makes everyone feel good, and especially because the others, the losers, as I said earlier, are known, it's important to acknowledge those people who didn't receive it as still being deserving of the award.